Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the document in print layout, so what you change reflects actual pages. Next, confirm you can edit the file, remove protection or track changes if needed. Once you have edit access, go to the Design tab to access background controls and theme options. Make sure Word's interface is not in a high contrast mode, otherwise colors may appear inverted. These steps get you ready to directly set the page color to white. Now change the page color. Open the Design tab and pick Page Color, then select White. If you need an exact shade, choose More Colors and enter RGB values. Remove any background images or watermarks via Design Watermark and delete them, and inspect pictures that may be set behind text. Select Format Picture and set text wrap to inline or remove fill. Also clear header and footer shading and any shape fills so every layer displays white. These steps ensure the entire page prints and displays as white. Finish by saving your document or saving as a template so the white background persists for new files. Export to PDF and inspect Print Preview to confirm the background is white in other viewers and when printing. If the page still appears colored, check Word's File Options Display and enable Show Background Colors and Images. Also verify your operating system's high contrast theme is off and update the printer driver. If an embedded object keeps color, remove or reinsert it as inline and recheck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.